what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I think we are doing my favorite eye look I have done in a very, very long time. Did I think it would be this dark? Absolutely not. I saw a couple makeup looks on TikTok that I wanted to try to recreate and create this brown smoky chocolate eye for deep set maturing eyes. I have a little tip for dark shadow at the beginning of the video, so you don't have to wait all the way through to find the little tip that is going to help keep your eyeshadow looking smooth and creamy and not patchy and not any fallout. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. All right, this is the part that I think is going to be the best for maturing eyes. Not necessarily deep set eyes, but just maturing eyes. I think this is going to help with the darker brown tones. So we're going to go in with the Halo Beauty Contour. I saw someone on TikTok doing this. Not with this, but with a dark contour color as like a base to their eye instead of like an eye primer that's going to be light or clear, using a contour color to prime underneath your chocolate brown. So I'm going to put this all over the lid and like not in the crease, but like just covering and rounding out the lid. And that'll give a good guide for the deep color, because you can see we avoided all of that area, which is what would create a really messy look or create our eyes to look more deep set. Now I'm going to take the same flat brush that I used with the cream contour, and I'm going to go in with my Makeup by Mario. Masters the neutrals. This is the neutral 2 palette, and I'm going to go into the darkest brown right here beside this gray color. We'll see how this looks. I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. Okay. This could have even been, okay, I'm going to go over it with this. You know what is nice about it being a little bit wet with the contour is like you're getting more precision with the dark color. You're getting a smoother blend, but you're also getting no fallout. Okay, so I think I'm going to go over this with the brown right beside it with a dry brush. I think this is a little too cool of a brown, but it's going to be a good base underneath for a warmer kind of chocolate brown to go on top. And I mean, eyeshadow really is about layering and layering tones. To think that you're just going to put one tone on and be done is not it. I might even go in with this tone right here, which is M5. The deepest color is M11, and just a clean flat brush. There, yeah, that's good. That is got a little more warmth to it, but you have that base underneath there now that's making it look really rich, not patchy, and this is going to hold that into place. And now I can see fallout. Look at the difference. Go in with the cooler shade in the palette, which is M8. So this cool taupe color right here. I think that'll look really pretty against the dark brown. And this I'm going to place in the crease. We're gonna buff that out. Buff out that deep brown color that's kind of like looking really harsh right now. And then go up onto the crease as well. You can see how it just softens it instantly. I'm going to go in with a warmer taupe color, which is right beside it. And go up more onto the brow bone. All while keeping that corner in there really bright, and that is just going to keep this potentially very messy look looking a little bit more polished. And keeping the eyes from looking extra deep set. I mean, they're gonna look a little bit more deep set. We're putting a lot of dark on them, but sometimes you wanna wear a brown smoky eye, and you are allowed. Now I'm gonna take a pointed brush. I'm gonna go back in with M5, and we are gonna start going underneath the eye. Kind of just buff around. Just so it kind of joins from the top up here down to the bottom. I'm going to tightline the top and bottom waterline with black, just to add that to the eye. Okay, I'm gonna do some liquid eyeliner too, just to add more oomph like the black liner on the waterline did. This will also add some more drama to the eye. But I'm like in love. Oh my gosh. It looks even better in person. Sometimes eye looks look better on camera. This looks even better in person. And I don't even feel like my eye looks aged at all, or like, I don't know, looks so good. And it does look a little messy, a little smudged, but it's a brown smoky eye, so it's not gonna look perfect. I just line my lips a bit, put a little Vaseline on, and that's how I'm gonna leave them. I don't need anything on my lips. The eyes are dramatic enough. Added some mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with the Flesh Balm from Merit Beauty. This is in the shade Beverly Hills. I think I just need a little bit of rosy something on the cheeks. Yes, that definitely kind of helps brighten this up a bit, if that makes sense. But just a little bit of that to really tie it all in. This is like the favorite eye look that I've done. I did not think that such a dark eye look I would love. Like off camera, honestly, it looks even better. I'm gonna try bringing you guys to the natural light and show you and see if we get a better visual there. All right, hopefully the natural lighting gave you guys a good visual of how the makeup look looks. I love it so much. So I will link a Makeup by Mario palette for you guys, as well as the e.l.f. Halo Wand, but you can use whatever kind of deep contour that you have. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.